himself. Well, it's December 21st, 2021. I'm out here hunting a spot where me and my fiance hunted about a month ago, and she killed a buck. And the past couple days driving by, I've seen quite a few does out there, and young bucks starting to chase and spar again. So I'm gonna head out here with my rifle and hopefully get lucky enough to get another deer. There's some good sign right there. Look at that trail. Go down. He just went down. He just went down. He just went down. He's big. He just went down. There's no way. That just happened. I was... Oh, he's big. That might be my biggest deer ever. Guys, my hands are numb. I know my hands. He's down at 60 yards. I was sitting here about an hour ago. I was reading my Bible. And I can all feel my hands. They're like in shock right now. I cannot feel my hands. I cannot believe. Thank you, God. I was sitting here about an hour ago, and he came out on the other end of the field about 200 yards. And the doe came from behind me and she went to him, and she ran off into the woods with him. And so I thought he was gone for good. Well, this group of does, about 10 minutes ago, comes running out from my left corner about 100 yards. And there's about 6 or 7 of the does. And they came over here, and they were just trying to figure out where the scent was coming from. They were on to me, and I was just waiting for them to blow. And I look in the middle of the field, and he comes walking up, smelling the does. And he finally worked up here about 60, 70 yards at most, and started trailing these does and gave me a shot. Oh my gosh, there's no way. So anyways, that deer actually died within 10 minutes, and I walked over there and completely forgot to do a tracking video just from the excitement. And my brother came and we gutted it right there, and we loaded it up because he had to get to baseball practice. But here it is. I'll just show you some videos with it and pictures. Biggin, huh?